We'll guide you through how to set up a Dropbox account. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Dropbox website by entering dropbox.com in your browser's address bar. Once you're on the home page, look for the Sign Up button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it, and you'll be taken to the registration page. Here, you'll need to enter your first and last name, your email address, and a password. Make sure your password is strong by including a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. After filling in your details, check the box to agree to Dropbox's terms of service. Now, click on Create an Account. Dropbox might ask you to verify your email address, so go ahead and check your inbox for an email from Dropbox. Click on the verification link inside the email to confirm your account. If you're using a service like Gmail, check your spam or promotions folder in case the email got filtered there. Once verified, you can log into your new Dropbox account. When you log in for the first time, Dropbox will offer you a quick tour of its features. You can choose to take the tour or skip it and explore on your own. To start uploading files, click on the Upload button and select the files you want to add from your computer. You can also create new folders to organize your files better. If you plan to use Dropbox frequently, consider downloading the Dropbox desktop app, which makes syncing files even easier. Remember, Dropbox offers both free and paid plans, so if you find yourself running out of space, you might want to check out their premium options. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.